In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a SurveyMonkey survey in PDF format step by step. If you need a printable copy of your survey for sharing, reviewing, archiving, or sending to someone outside SurveyMonkey, this is the quickest way to do it. And before we get into it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the homepage, click on the survey you want to export. This will take you into the survey workspace where you can access the design and print options. After that, click on Design Survey. This is important because the PDF download option is usually found inside the survey design area rather than the results view. Once the design page opens, look for the print icon and click on it. This opens the printing and export settings for your survey. Now you'll see several options that control how your PDF will look. First, click Include Images if you want any visuals, logos, or image-based content to appear in the PDF. Then click Include Survey Title. The document shows the name of your survey at the top. Next, select Include Page Numbers if you want the PDF to be easier to navigate, especially for longer surveys. After that, choose Print Without Page Breaks if you want the survey to flow more smoothly in one continuous layout. This can make the final PDF cleaner and easier to read. Once those settings are selected, click Download PDF. SurveyMonkey will begin preparing the file so you can save it to your computer. Now, here's something important to know. In some cases, SurveyMonkey may require you to upgrade your plan before you can download the PDF. So, if you see a prompt telling you to upgrade, that means the download feature is limited to certain subscription plans. If that happens, you'll need to review your account options and choose a plan that includes PDF export. Once the file is downloaded, you can open it in any PDF reader, print it, share it, or keep it for your records. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your SurveyMonkey survey as a PDF. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.